some multiple choice questions about D and F block elements. The first question. The incorrect statement for transition elements is A. The last electron of these elements enters in d orbital. This is absolutely correct. Next, B. The common oxidation state of these elements is actually +2, not +3. So this is an incorrect statement. C. The properties of these elements is intermediate between S and P block elements. This is absolutely correct statement. The transition elements with smaller atomic radii is scandium. This is an incorrect statement because scandium is the first element of 3D transition series. And we know that when we move from left to right in a period, the atomic size decreases. It means scandium has comparatively larger size than the rest of the transition elements in the 3D series. Correct? So two statements are wrong in this first question. Next, zinc does not exhibit variable valency due to the presence of completely filled d orbitals. Okay, so it cannot show the variable valency. The metal which is considered as transition metal is actually scandium. Why zinc, mercury and cadmium? These all are not considered as transition metals because transition metals means the elements which show the partially filled d orbitals in their ground state or in any of their oxidation state. But these zinc, mercury and cadmium, they do not show, they do not have the partially filled d orbital in any of their ground state or oxidation state. Okay, they have always fully filled d orbitals. Understood? So they are not considered as transition metals, although they are d block elements. The ground state electronic configuration of neutral titanium atom is atomic number 22. So its ground state configuration will be argon 3d2 4s2. Correct? B orbital. B option is correct. Next, fifth question. Among the following electronic configuration of d orbitals, the electronic configuration showing the highest magnetic moment is 3d5 because we know that magnetic moment increases as the number of unpaired electron increases. What is n in this formula of magnetic moment? This is number of unpaired electrons. Okay, so this magnetic moment is directly proportional to the number of unpaired electrons in an element, in an atom or in an ion. And these rest of these have this is having two unpaired electrons. For 3d7 also has how many? देखो इस तरह से 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, only 5 3d orbitals are there or d orbitals are there. So this is 6 and this is 7. So how many unpaired? 3. So 3d7 has 3 unpaired electron and 3d8 has only 2 unpaired electron. Okay, and this is having 5. All the electrons in the 3d orbitals are d orbitals are unpaired. Okay, so this is having the maximum number of unpaired electrons.